It's easy to make pom-poms in different sizes for projects like this cool wall hanging. It just takes a few simple supplies and I promise it's easy, so let me show you how. For this project you will need yarn. I prefer cotton yarn for this project, but you can use whatever you have on hand. A dowel or a stick, a 3x5 note card, scissors, and some wooden beads. The 3 pom-poms in this project are all made with the same 3x5 card. The difference in the size is just how many times that you wrap the yarn. So for the largest pom-pom, I've wrapped the yarn about 175 times. The middle-sized one is about 125 wraps, and the smallest one, which we're doing here, is about 75 wraps around. Don't wrap too tightly, keep it relatively loose, and cut the end when you're finished. Cut a piece of yarn about 18 inches long, and then remove the card from the bundle of yarn. Place it right in the middle of your longer piece. Tie a knot as tight as you can right in the middle of that bundle. If you have a friend nearby, you can have them hold their thumb over the first knot so that you can tie it tightly. If not, just try and do it yourself the best you can. Cut one of the tails to the size of the bundle, but leave the other one long. It's important to keep this string long. Be careful not to cut it. Cut through all of the yarn loops. Once you've cut through all the loops, it's not going to look like much, especially the smaller size one. It's going to look really scraggly, but it will turn out just fine. So keep that longer piece away. Like I said, you don't want to accidentally cut it, and you're going to trim the ends of the yarn down till you have a nice fluffy ball. You're going to be trimming quite a bit for the smaller size one, less when you make the bigger ones. When you're almost finished, when it's starting to look like a ball, be sure and fluff it out several times and trim any of the loose ends that pop up. Once all 3 pom-poms are completed, lay them out so that they're approximately the length you want them to hang when you're finished. Be sure and leave lots of extra at the end because you're going to be tying knots. Tie a knot in the yarn on each place where you want a bead to rest. So I'm just going to do one bead for my largest pom-pom. Thread on the bead, and then tie another knot at the top of the bead. I'm going to put 2 beads on the middle-sized pom-pom and 3 beads on the smallest one, but you can do whatever looks best. When you're done tying on the beads, tie each pom-pom to the stick and trim the ends of the yarn, and you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more fun craft projects. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.